What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the Y-strap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, so we have Veronica here. She is a, what do you call yourself?
Eyelash artist.
Eyelash artist, okay.
Her
Lash artist. She does lash extensions and things like that. So we will go ahead and plug her stuff down on the bottom. But she's always working hunched over, a lot of shoulder and upper back neck issues. So we're gonna go through and do some range of motion, kind of figure out what's going on there. So we'll go ahead and have you stand up. You just face me. So we're gonna do neck first. You're gonna do rotation. Okay. Go all the way. So we'll go all the way there. Okay, and then go all the way the other way. A little bit harder that way. Any pain when you do that?
No.
Okay. Chin to your chest. Okay, and then go into extension. Either one of those bother you?
Right here, yes.
Yeah. When you go back? Okay. And then you're gonna do left and then right. Either one of those bother you?
Yes, a little.
Yeah, a lot of pulling. Okay. Do that one more time for me. Okay. Okay. Both, like when you go both ways, does it bother you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so go ahead and put your hands in front of you like this, and then you're going to do rotation. Okay. Both ways. How does that feel?
Good.
Feels alright?
Mm-hmm. Any
pulling, anything like that in the low
No.
back, anything like that? Okay. Okay. And then you do the same position, then you're going to do lateral bend. Lateral bend. How does that feel?
Good.
Anything bother you there? Okay. And then go ahead and touch your toes. Okay, back up. Feel pull down the back of your leg. Yeah, you got tight hamstrings. You have to bend your knees a lot. And then you're gonna go into extension. So pretend you have like a belt on, you're gonna push your belt buckle forward and you're just gonna go into extension. Okay, and then back up. How does that feel?
It hurts here.
You feel strain there?
Yes.
Okay. Nothing else?
No.
Mostly up in that shoulder region stuff. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat right here. Okay, sit up straight. We're going to push down around the top of your head. Any pain when I do that?
No.
Okay, rotate to the right. Same thing? Any pain? Doesn't make it worse or anything?
No.
Okay. You don't have any radiation down the arms or anything like that, right? No pain
No.
or numbness, tingling in the arms, hands?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Anything like that in the legs either?
No.
Okay, good. All right, sit up straight. Yeah, so you got some like imbalances as far as like range of motion goes. So like when you were rotating, one was a little decreased than the other. And a lot of muscle tension when you go, which is a lot dealing with the type of work you do. So it's nothing like crazy going on. Definitely got some like fixations and stuff going up in the, especially in that upper back where the neck meets the upper back region. So we'll take care of that. And that'll give you a lot more motion just in there, and it will help decrease the muscle tension that's going on. Okay? So we'll go ahead and do that. So what we'll do, I always start with heat. Kind of helps loosen the muscles before the adjustment. So we'll get you to go face down here, and we'll start with heat, okay? Yeah, this one's pretty short. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. So you're going to lift your head and turn it to the right and lay it down. Perfect. Okay, and then go to the left. Okay, back to center. Any tenderness? Let me know if you have any tenderness when I'm poking around, okay?
Okay.
Not terrible through there. Not much discomfort, stuff like that through there, right?
No.
ahead and just relax, relax. Let your arms actually follow the ground. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Yeah, these are a little tense and tight. Does it radiate down into your shoulder blades at all?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Okay. Alright, those okay. Okay, so you're going to lift up on your chin and relax. Perfect, just like that. Good. Yeah, it's tight in there. Flip this over that way. Yep, just stay straight. Just double check this one. Okay, yep, up onto your chin and relax right onto your chin. Good. Handle that okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, we'll go ahead and flip you on your back now. Your hair's so long. Can you... Yep, just like that. Actually, just leave it back like that. Perfect. You tenderness or anything?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Let it just relax and fall. There you go. You said you had some headaches and stuff too. You get them occasionally. Okay. Do just feel a little bit of pressure and a little bit of a push. Good. Nice and simple. Good. Some good ones in there. Okay, good. Awesome. Alright, so we'll have you sit up. We're going to go over to that table and we'll do your low back, okay?
Okay. It already feels better.
Yeah, just freeing up, just like the immediate relief is
yeah.
nice. So I grew up with, my uncle's a chiropractor, so I like grew up with it.
Oh.
So it's just like normal to me. So. Alright, so go ahead and go on your side. The bottom leg's gonna stay straight. Yep. And this one's gonna bend. So foot behind your knee. There you go. We're gonna bring it all the way to the side. I like having smaller patients because I can just put them where I need them to go. Okay. So you're just gonna have a little twist. There it went. It already went. There's a little bit more. Alright, we're gonna flip it the other way. It's the same thing. So I'll pull you closer here. Tuck this underneath. A little bit more. There you go. Good. Good. Some good ones in there too. Alright, go ahead and sit up. Alright, how was that?
Good.
Alright. Feel pretty good?
Good.
Go ahead and stand up. Just go ahead and walk back and forth right here.
Yeah, it feels good.
Alright. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat there. Let me check out your shoulders a little bit more. arms sit up straight. Okay. Put these shoulders up. This is something that you need to maybe do some stretch. I'll show you some stretches you can do. Because you're probably working like this a lot.
Yes, like
slouched. So you need to get these shoulders back, get them opened up. Do you have any resistance bands or anything like that at home?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we could do some like strengthening exercises for these, especially if you start to lose the tone in here. So from work, especially you've been doing it what, almost a year, a little over a year?
A little bit over a year.
Okay. Any shoulder pain in here?
Just a little bit, not too much.
Both?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that one released. Just clumped on its own. Let me see this one. Come relax, relax, relax. Okay, that's not bad. Same thing, relax. Okay, good. All right, the last thing we're gonna do, since your hips are so out, we're gonna do your ankles and feet. So go ahead and go onto your back. Feet down here. I'll put these off real quick. Just want to have a good base to go from. Any ankle injuries in the past or anything?
No.
Okay.
But where it does hurt a little bit is back here when I run.
Oh, okay. Well, if you notice, well, you can see how this one's rotated in a little bit.
Oh.
This one, your arch isn't as good. So when that happens, it pulls on the Achilles a little bit. So if you get a better, what are you running these shoes?
No.
You got a good, make sure you got a good arch in this one for support, okay?
Okay.
Because that'll start to pull on that tendon and it makes it sore. You'll get tendonitis in here. Does it get sore down into the heel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So maybe you make sure you replace your shoes every once in a while. If you run a lot, oh, this one's locked up. So get your hip, go ahead and just let the leg fall. There you go. There you go. Good. There's a big release on that one. See how loose this one is?
Yeah.
The other one's like stuck. That one's hips. There. Just gonna get these things moving. This one's not so bad, it is this one.
Yeah, that one.
Good, okay. All right, go ahead and sit up. But just walk back and forth a couple times.
With shoes or without shoes?
Without shoes is fine.
Oh, yeah.
A
Goes a
little
lot.
straighter. Okay, good. Awesome. All right, go ahead and put your shoes on. So how do you feel before and after?
Oh, I feel a lot better.
Okay, good. Hopefully you're moving better than, especially with being active. So how many days a week you running right now?
Right now, I run 4 to 5 days a week.
Okay. Yeah, make sure your shoes are good. If they're starting to wear out, probably get a new pair.
Yeah.
We can work on that right ankle some more though. It seems to be a little, it's kind of internally rotated like that. And when you do that, it puts, like I said, some stress on that tendon.
Yeah.
So you'll start to get some pain and tenderness in there. So make sure your shoes are good.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, that's it.
Okey-dokey.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.